Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing from Boots, and this is their Valentine's special edition. They've released two boxes, they both cost £25. This is the Love Language Beauty Box and it has a value of £64.73. And their other one is called In Love with Luxury and that has a value of £55.95. I'll pop a link to both of them down below in my description, as well as any offers I can find. If there's any discount codes, you'll find it listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. These boxes were released yesterday, so I wanted to get this up as soon as possible. You're seeing this a day after it was released. So in this box, there's 5 products. And this is what it looks like up close. I was really shocked when I saw this. Normally beauty boxes are larger. This is small, but it's cute. There's only 5 products in there. I'm not sure if there's any full sizes. We'll have to see as I open it up. I can't remember now. They haven't overdone it with the packaging, which I really like. I really like the design. So let's open it up then. How do I do this without ripping it? I don't want to rip it. There. Okay, starting off with a mascara that I'm actually wearing today. You're not going to see it because I've got false eyelashes on top, but this is a little miniature MACStack, a Super Stack Mega Brush mascara from MAC. I really like this. I had a few of these in last year's advent calendars, and yeah, fortunately for me, I really like it. I am quite fussy with my mascaras. I've got really thin, short, straight lashes, and I really like the brush on this, and it really grabs my lashes. A lot of pigment as well, so yeah, I really like this, and I like that it's a little mini handy size. That's gonna go straight into my holiday box, ready for if I go away for the night or something. Little downsized mascara, yeah, happy with that. Petal shaped bristles, hug and coat lashes from root to tip. So then we've got full size Iconic London. This is Kissed by the Sun multi-use cheek glow. Oh, what's the colour? In So Cheeky. I don't know if I've ever had a blush from Iconic London before. So you've got a mirror on that side, and that is the blush. That shade is beautiful. That is so pretty. Wow, that is super, super pretty. Very, very shimmery. So the type of blush for me personally, I'd wear that on a night out, and I wouldn't cover my cheeks as I normally do with a lot of blush. I would just keep it to the high point, so I've got some colour and some shimmer going in there, like a dual highlighter blush in one. Yeah, I really like that. Be really nice on nice tanned skin as well, or in my case, fake tan. So we've got a blush by Iconic London. Then we've got Elemis. This is a Superfood Glow Primer and Moisturiser, Illuminating Moisturiser, and there's 20 mils here. I absolutely adore Elemis. I love the Pro Collagen skincare range, but I'm not too fussed on this one, on this Superfood range. I've got to be honest, it's not my favourite. It's a nice moisturiser, but it's a little bit too glowy. I do love a glow, but I don't want the middle of my face to glow, because that is where all my like imperfections are. My scarring, large pores, a little bit of fine lines going on there. So it's like, yeah, I don't want those areas to be highlighted. I would just apply it to like the higher points of my face, really. Apply my normal moisturiser and then maybe just go over the top then. Yeah, as an all over primer for my skin. Nah, not for me. We've got Fenty Beauty, and this is a Glass Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in Fenty Glow 01. So it looks like. I might already have this colour. I'm not too sure. Let's try it on the ends there. I love that all the shades in this box are all complementing each other. You've got the golden bronze of the primer, and then the highlighting blush, and then the lip gloss as well. That is beautiful, isn't it? I really do like that. I'm sure I've got this colour though. Addictive Shine Nourishing Wear Universal Finishing Touch. And then lastly, we've got a perfume. This is Ghost Deep Night Eau de Toilette, and there's 10 mils there. I keep forgetting what this smells like. I do get it now and again in different beauty boxes. Also, it looks like a half moon. I can't remember. What's it smell like? Oh, I like that one. Oh, this is Deep Night. It's not very strong. It's quite a subtle perfume, actually. Or is it? Maybe I just haven't put enough on. It's in the fruity floral bracket of perfumes. It doesn't smell like a deep sensual evening perfume. No, not to me anyway, but you know me, I'm absolutely blooming useless at describing scents. Yeah, haven't got a clue. Yeah, I'm not great, but I do like it, which is good. I was thinking, maybe one for my daughter there, or my mum. So we got Ghost 10ml Deep Night. And there you go. Those are all the products in the Love Language Beauty Box. We got a Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty. We got a MACStack Mascara by MAC. Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. Iconic London Blush. And lastly, a 10ml perfume by Ghost, and this is, that I keep forgetting, Deep Night. I think it's a nice little cute box. There's some nice products in there. Yes, I'm not that keen on the Elemis Primer Moisturiser, but I have already got one, so I will be passing that on, but everything else I'll be keeping myself. I really love the blush. Normally I'm put off with really sparkly, shiny blushes, but I really like that, and I can see me just adding it just to the high points here, like on a night out or something. I think it'd be stunning, especially when I've got like a fake tan on as well. I think it'd be really pretty. This box will make a great gift, essentially. This is why they're selling them. It's for Valentine's Day. And if you really love these products yourself, then it could be a fab box for you. You're saving over half price. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of these boxes? Did you end up buying one? Which one did you go for? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.